Brittin is 5 months old and 1 week today, and this will be her first time eating baby cereal. Mom is preparing it right there.
Are you ready?
Are you ready, Brittin? Let's see how you like this.
You gotta put your bib down. Now Mama see you. Brittin. Brittin. Hey. Hey.
We'll see what she thinks.
Is that nummy? Mmm. Is that good?
She hasn't spit it out yet.
She ate it
What do you think? Yeah, good stuff.
Good?
Alright.
Want some more? Hey. Whoopsie.
Up your nose? Alright.
Can Mama see your hands, please? Want this? Mmm. It's up your nose. Is that good? Ready for some more?
Hasn't had much of a reaction yet.
Some more? Mmm. Oh, she's like, give me more of that.
Yeah, apparently she likes it. Would you say you like it? Good cereal? Give me a smile if it's good. Yeah, alright. It's good cereal because you're getting it from now on, so I hope you enjoy it.
One more? You can't bite down on the spoon. She does really good.
Not like a lot of the babies where they make funny faces.
Licking them chops. You gotta put it down your throat. Mmm. Yeah, is it good? It's up your nose. Look at it in there.
I think I would like solid food or semi-solid after 5 months of just liquids too.
Oh. Nom 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 nom. More? Oh, not doing so good now.
Just keep it coming.
Hey Mikey, she likes it.
Yeah.
Is that good? You want more? Nom nom.
Mmm.
Such a big girl.
Who likes
Ready?
cereal?
Mmm, got a milk mustache. Is that good? Yeah. She doesn't even put her hands in her mouth really. Whoa.
Can I try this
She's
bib
like,
too?
I'll wipe my mouth for you. Here. Open your mouth.